Install the NOXBOX in a vertical position, not in a horizontal or upside down position. You'll know it's upside down because you'll have the conduit entries on the top and not the bottom. You'll also know it's upside down because you can't read the NOXBOX name. Do confirm that the lid is closed upon installation by pushing it in until you hear the solid click of the lock that's found underneath. Do use a screwdriver on the bottom if you want to remove the NOXBOX and open the access cover. This can be done from behind if the fitting is off already, or from on front of the fitting if it's already mounted. Do use pliers or a suitable tool to snap out the bottom inserts if you're going to run conduit into the bottom entry or want to remove them for extra access. Do taper your cables at an angle if you'd like a nice neat connection. Do use the cable clamps for securing cable, like so. Do use the cable release on the side of the clamp, like so. Do remove the back entry if you'd like to run cable through the back of the NOXBOX. Do seal up the back if you've got a cable coming in and it's outside. Do use the measurements on the back at 40mm if you need to pre-drill a wall or fixing. Do use the fixing screw that's included in the kit if you need to secure the NOXBOX permanently from the front. Do use the screw point covers if you make a penetration through the NOXBOX and need to make them weather protected. Do not try to install more than 2 cables in the Wago connectors at any one time. If you need to add more cables into the NOXBOX, you can do this by removing the Wago connectors, by sliding a flat blade screwdriver up and unscrewing the screws from the tray and using solder or larger connectors. Do not bend the NOXBOX the wrong way. The cover will snap and it will be unusable. Do not remove the IP seal, which is included in every single NOXBOX and pre-fitted around the top of the unit. Do not use cables that are larger than 4mm into the Wago connectors. Do use the NOXBOX for any type of external or internal junction boxing where speed and good design are essential. The NOXBOX from M-Elec.